This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forming the penguin's core, the body and head in one. Use a 3/5 hook with black DK yarn and a white contrast for the belly. Start with a magic ring and crochet 8 single crochets. Increase each round to build a sphere. Why this method? It creates a seamless shape that's easier to embroider later. Once you reach the mid-size, pause to stuff lightly and place a stitch marker so your increases stay consistent. Next, you define the penguin's silhouette by attaching the belly and wings. Make a white oval by switching yarn and crocheting a few flat rounds. This contrasts and secures stuffing. For wings, crochet 2 small tapered flaps in black with minimal increases so they lay close to the body. When sewing, use a whip stitch and pass the yarn twice through each seam to reinforce. Once done, shape the wings with gentle tugs so they sit naturally at the sides. Finish by crafting the hat and facial features. You'll crochet a small hat in a bright color, work a short tube, decrease slightly, and top with a pom-pom or tassel. This adds personality and hides top joins. For the face, embroider the beak and eyelids for expression, or insert safety eyes before final closing for durability. Make sure to finish stuffing firmly but not overstuffed. Close the gap with invisible stitches, and trim loose ends to keep the toy tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.